Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you also want to create animation videos with the help of AI, then watch video up to end. Because in today's video, I will tell you how you can make an animated video with the help of AI in just 2 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now first we need to open a Google Chrome and search Lexica. This website uses advanced algorithms to generate AI images. When we open the website, we will see an interface like this. Here you can generate any type of image. Search option is visible here. Here you can search any type of image you need and download it. After that you will see the generator option. In this you can generate any kind of image you need. So here we need a cartoon image, so I search here. Now as soon as I searched here, you can see that thousands of images have appeared in front of me. You can download any of them for free. So after you download this image, again you have to open Google Chrome and search there remove BG. When you open this website, you will see upload image option. You have to click on it. And for any image you want to remove background, you have to upload it. After uploading, your background will be removed in few seconds. After that you have to download it. Now, we need to search Studio Did on Google and simply open the website. Now you will see the Create Video option here. You have to click on it. After clicking, you will see an interface like this. Here you can see below that you will be seeing many characters. Also, you will see in that option which you have to click and upload the image whose background we just removed. After that, you will see the above script option. Here you can also write script, and on the site you will see audio option. Here you can also upload your audio. How to generate audio with the help of AI. You will find the link in the description. Now after that, above you will see generator video option. Click on it to generate your video. After generating the video, you have to download the video and edit it in any video editing app. So today's video was just that. If you like the video, then like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in a new video with a new topic. Goodbye.